A crimper is a piece of very handy equipment used to deform the ends of wires and connectors to make cold weld joints between them. Among different types of connectors, the RJ45 connectors are the most popular connectors used in internet cables and other networking cables. My today's video is about top 5 best RJ45 crimpers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Klein Tools RJ45 Crimper. Klein Tools is a reputed hand tools manufacturer that has been in production for around 160 years. It manufactures a wide range of hardware equipment including hand tools, electrical testers, measuring tools, fish tapes, portable power devices, and tool bags. The Klein VDV266-110 is a premier modular crimper that efficiently cuts, strips, and crimps. It can be used for Cat 3, Cat 5e, and Cat 6/6A cables. Along with RJ45, it is also used for standard RJ11 and RJ12. It comes with a very helpful wiring diagram printed on its body for quick reference. The diagram lays out the sequence of wires once you've stripped the casing, untangled the wires, and are straightening them to align with the pin grooves of the RJ45. It almost eliminates wiring errors. It is also equipped with pass-through connectors that neatly separate the wire for it to be placed perfectly into the RJ45 pin slots. It eases prep work and reduces wasted work. The grip is designed to be non-slip and compact to minimize hand strain. To ensure full connector termination, it also comes with a full-cycle ratchet mechanism. It is compatible with wire gauge 28 to 22 AWG, both flat and round. The handles also have ratchet locking for safety and comfortable crimping. Now our second product is Unigui RJ45 Crimper. Unigui is a relatively small brand. Nevertheless, the brand manufactures premium-grade durable tools that are perfect for professionals and DIY users. The brand's flagship products are the RJ45 Crimp Tool Kits. It also sells relevant networking accessories. Unigui's modular crimper is made up of durable high-carbon steel, and the finishing is of black oxide, which gives high performance. This is another crimper kit on our list at a very economic price. The whole package includes 20 pieces of RJ45 connectors, Cat 5, 20 pieces of covers, a wire stripper, and a tester. The inclusion of supporting equipment hasn't made the manufacturers compromise on the quality of the crimper. The blades come with protectors like those found in high-end crimpers. Ratchet safety release ensures that the handles don't spring back, leading to any injuries. The black and blue grip stands out in terms of visibility and gives enhanced comfort. Crimping can be done for 6 and 8 pin connectors. The kit includes 20 Cat 5 RJ45 connectors and covers. The connectors are both code A and B standard and of high quality. The kit also includes a network cable tester that will require an additional 9V battery. A separate wire stripper to take the casing off is also included in the kit. Our third product is Hyja RJ45 Crimper. Hyja is another small brand that manufactures reliable crimping tools and networking accessories at affordable prices. Although being a small brand, Hyja is regarded highly for its responsive customer service. Hyja's crimping tool kit comes with a crimper, 50 RJ45 connectors, 50 connector covers, and a wire stripper. The crimper can crimp RJ45, RJ11, and RJ12 connectors. The crimper gives solid torque without bending as the body is made up of steel. The blades on the crimper are replaceable. The handles have textured grips to reduce fatigue and slipping. The end pass-through crimper can be used for multiple cables like Ethernet, CCTV, and media appliances. The kit also packs a handful of connectors and covers. Along with these, there's also a separate dedicated stripper to get that smooth casing cut without nicking any of the inner wires. Hyja backs this crimper with an 18-month warranty period from the original date of purchase. Now number 4, VCE RJ45 Crimper. VCE sources premium quality components and employs carefully engineered methods to manufacture high-performing products. The brand sells audio and video cables and adapters, USB-C cables, hand tools, wall plates, and networking accessories. VCE's crimper is a dedicated tool for the RJ45 connectors. The durable material ensures swift cutting and precise crimping. It is compatible with 8-pin connectors for Cat6, Cat5, Cat7, Cat5e, Cat6A cables. The PVC non-slip handle is designed in a compact way to allow an ergonomic and comfortable grip through the squeeze action. It's 2/3 the size of most crimpers, giving you that extra space in your tool case and easy to carry around. There's a separate button to lock and unlock the crimper while using. This gives you extra control over your operation with extra safety. You can even get matched modular plugs. It has the standard T568A or T568B wiring rules. It is priced a little higher than other crimpers in the market, but the quality speaks for itself. It is professional grade at that little elevated price tag. This crimper comes with an 18-month warranty and lifetime customer support. And our last choice is PE Tech Tool RJ45 Crimper. PE Tech Tool specializes in developing RJ45 connectors, crimpers, and relevant tools. The brand has a global customer base and is committed to ensuring 100% customer satisfaction. PE Tool crimping tool can be used for trimming 8P8C and 6P6C modular connectors along with RJ45 connector ends and RJ12 connector. It is perfect for trimming telephone cables and Ethernet patch cables of different lengths. It has a die set feature that facilitates precise crimping for the pins of the connector. It punctures the cable's insulation and places the twisted wires into the gold pins, ensuring a clean connection. It is made up of thick rolled steel that makes the crimper stable and rugged by ensuring consistency in terminating and connecting wires, making always clean and crisp cuts. The set also comes with a replaceable blade for your easy replacement once the old one has gotten blunt and doesn't cut cleanly anymore. The kit also contains 20 pieces of RJ45 connectors. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.